China's economy posted stable growth in 2021 despite challenges including epidemic resurgences and a complicated external environment. According to data released on Monday by the National Bureau of Statistics, China's gross domestic product expanded 8.1% year-on-year to 114.37 trillion yuan last year. The pace was well above the government target of above 6%.
初步核算，全年国内生产总值114.万亿元，按不变价格计算，比上年增长8.1%，两年平均增长5.1%。分季度看，一季度同比增长18.3%，二季度增长7.9%，三季度增长4.9%，四季度增长4.0%。
According to the NBS, China's economy has continued stable recovery in 2021, leading the world in both economic development and epidemic control. It also warned of the triple pressure of demand contraction, supply shocks and weakening expectations amid an increasingly complicated external environment.